Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create an RJ45 patch cable just like this one. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into it.
Yeah. This is one of those songs. I don't say much though. Just listen, yo. Dream sound, you know. Listen, yo. From the 80 gig hard drive to the 5 program, CD, DVD, rewriter, all damn. Man, I love my PC, that's why I changed my name to USB. And you must be the best of them all. And the usual PC, you my Pentium 4, 2 gigahertz memory, processor dual core. My USB port, I leap for more than 4. I really like the motherboard, the optical mouse and the wireless keyboard. A computer like this I've never seen. It has a 17-inch LG flat screen. My PC is tight, dude. The case has no floppy, make the front look real cool. CD writer and DVD too. Man, I'm so in love with my CPU. From the worms that you have or the trojans in you, really need the latest update so I can clean you.